find out. Well, here we go. You're supposed to get these tapes, so I don't really know. Great. I think we're gonna die. Shut up, Peter. Not funny. Well, I'm lost now. Let me get some food. Let's go. Look at these stars. They're so pretty. Look at the stars. Pretty. Alright, well, yeah, no, that's it. Alright. Okay. Alright. Well, I got a second tape. Whoa, what? No, what is that? What is, no. Want me to follow you? Is that what you want? Wait for me. Wait for me, I say. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait. Where are you going? Wait for me. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Apparently in the single player you get there's a ghost and you follow it. It should take me to she takes me to the safes. Alright. Hey, there it is. Take that. Hey, thank you, lady. Now where do we go? Where do we go? What? She disappeared! Please, for the love of God, that ain't funny. Oh my God. No. This ain't funny at all. No. First roll, never turn around. Second roll, go to the bathroom before you play this game. Nah. Now we're running. Okay. Third roll, never turn around, but I don't care. See, nothing there. What the heck? Run away. Okay, apparently, hey, look at that, not safe. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Look at these moves. This is for you, PewDiePie. Woo! Yeah, look at that, 40. Oh God. No. Hey, look at that tree. Hey, look at this. Hey, where am I? I'm so lost. Where are you? I'm so lost. Oh God. Hey, wait. Shh. Everybody. Hear that? Y'all hear that? I hear it. You bros hear it? Is that it? I hear it. I swear to God, I feel like he's breathing down my neck. What's going on with that? Nope, nothing there. Jesus Christ, I'm so scared. My good guy. Maybe skills of turning on a flashlight. Hey, look at that. Hey, we're on the road, guys. Let's run to Narnia. Look up at the sky so you don't see anything scary. I just like it how the sky just stays normal while we move. Oh, there. Hey, look at that. Hey, why are you crying? Where's that apples? Hey, take. Pick it up. There we go. For the love of God, please don't be out there. Hey, he's not out there. All right. Hey, lady, come back. Hey, hey, how's it going? I love you. If I beat this in the first try, I'm gonna laugh. I highly doubt I'm gonna beat it though. But I beat you. I'm busy. I'm going to beat it by myself. I hear it, I just don't see it. Hey, look at that. Look at that, 6 out of 8. Oh yeah. Beat this on the first try. That's what's up. 7 minutes in, we already got this. We got this, yeah. Oh God, this is scary. Well, apparently, I'm too cool for the creature to get me. So I guess it is true. Never turn around, you'll never die in the game. That's what's up. Black Ops 2, you're supposed to turn around. There'll be campers everywhere. Somebody camping on the floor. Hey, there you are. What you doing, girl? Hey, girl, what you doing? What you doing? What? Oh, what the? No, no, no. No. For the love of God, no. Run away, run away. I'm blind. Look at that, run. Hey, look at this. Where did this come from? Hey, look at that. Oh, can't get out, okay. Well, there's no tape there for sure. Ah! No, stay away! Stay away from me! I don't love you like that anymore. Hey, what's this? Hey, look at that, it's a giant hand. That's what's up. High five me. High five me. No? Okay. No? Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ, he wasn't there! Where's the tapes? Is that tape? No. Ah, what? Where is he? Where is he? Stop it! You're not slender! Not cool! Alright, here we go. Oh my God, please, for the love of God! I don't know anymore. Where do I go? My flashlight's already about to die. There's like no point of this anymore. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, girl, girl, where you going? Where you going? You take me another. Where you going? I follow you to Narnia. Come on, I follow you to Narnia. Where do we go? If you turn off the flashlight, a lot easier to see her. Turn it on, see a little quick thing. that? 6 and 8. That ain't fair. Well, I guess that's it. Special modes. Hey, look at that. Okay, what's this? Special modes. Hard mode, night vision. Hey. Well, maybe if I was hard enough, I'll get that. Well, if I get 9 more, I guess might go 2. But okay, extras. Well, I think that's it for today, so bye.